Hi, Brett Stompro here in Danville. Couldn't be happier with my HomePro Solutions solar panels. I moved into my home about a year and a half ago. It had 9 panels. I figured I'm good. But I entertain a lot, and all of a sudden I was starting to get some bills from PG&E that were pretty darn high, and I'm thinking to myself, wow, I did not expect this. I thought that the solar panels that I was allocated with the new home was going to take care of me. It didn't come close. I was looking at something close to $1,000 a month, and so I reached out to somebody that I could trust, somebody with integrity, with a track record in the business, Tim Lunsford. He came out, walked me through the process. It came in under budget and on time. We added 21 panels, and now instead of writing a check to PG&E, I have zero energy bill at this point. What I really like about it is that it takes care of my needs, and I'm saving money, and I'm also doing something positive for the environment.